Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd do a little intro for this this little critter. It's well deserved. I'll talk you through a bit more about what happened and what I've done. So yeah, as you'll see in the video, this thing absolutely takes a battering. So yeah, really highly recommend this truck, guys. Yeah, really fast. Don't need much of a run up, and yeah, you'll get some really good air. So in the video, as you'll see, I'm running the standard shocks, and the mistake I made, let me try and find one, it has to be one of these two, was the rears. When I was tearing up and down the street, the truck was bottoming out, so I reduced the travel in the shocks in the rears, and watching back the slow-mo, they were bottoming out pretty soon. As you can see in the video, the truck, instead of absorbing and then sending up nice so you can control it and bring it down, the back end was just literally, the back end was pumping way too early and sending me more often than not nose first. So yeah, this truck took an absolute battering. I've installed some WLToys 144001 oil shocks, and yeah, I'll be taking it back out on the jumps to see if it handles any better. So yeah, as always guys, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got new content every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, enjoy the video guys, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.